In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy K-pop concert tickets on Ticketmaster. The most important thing to do is prepare before ticket sales begin, because popular K-pop shows can sell out very quickly. Start by going to Ticketmaster and either creating an account or signing in to your existing one. Make sure your account is fully verified ahead of time so you do not run into delays when tickets become available. Next, save your payment method and billing information in your account. This step can make a huge difference during checkout, especially when you are racing against a countdown timer. The less information you need to enter manually, the better your chances of completing the purchase smoothly. Once your account is ready, search for the K-pop artist or concert directly on Ticketmaster and open the event page. Take a moment to review the details carefully, including the concert date, venue, and any sale information listed on the page. This helps you avoid confusion when the sale starts. If the event includes a fan club sale, or pre-sale, make sure you register in advance and get your pre-sale code if one is required. This is something you do before the actual ticket drop, not at the last second. Having that code ready can be essential if certain tickets are only available through early access. When the sale day arrives, join the Ticketmaster virtual waiting room about 10 to 30 minutes before tickets go live. This gives you time to be in position before the queue begins. It is a good idea to stay focused during this stage and avoid refreshing unnecessarily unless Ticketmaster instructs you to do so. When it becomes your turn, choose the concert date. If more than one date is available, then select your seating section and the number of tickets you want. Move carefully but efficiently here since availability can change fast. If Ticketmaster asks for a pre-sale or offer code, enter it at this stage to unlock eligible tickets. After selecting your tickets, review everything before paying. Double check the date, section, quantity, and total price. Then complete your payment before the checkout timer expires. This part is time sensitive, so staying calm and prepared really helps. Once the purchase goes through successfully, you will receive a confirmation email, and your tickets will appear in your Ticketmaster account or in the app based on the event's delivery schedule. Be sure to check both so you know exactly when your tickets are available. That's how to buy K-pop concert tickets on Ticketmaster quickly and correctly.